Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we're back with another Tech Tuesday. And again, make sure you do like and subscribe so that way you'll get notifications to any of the tech helpful tips that you're looking for. Depending upon which video we're putting out there, we have multiples of these and they cover many different topics in each video. So in a couple other videos, we talked about the reasoning why you want to replace these or if there's any issues. But there's a lot of topics within these stepper motors that we've had some questions on. And the other question is about the tightening of these little black Allen key screws. We had talked in a previous video about not over tightening these and what can be caused. And we also talked about some of the issues on the filament, these just spinning in here. But today we're going to be talking about the particular question that you guys had asked us. And this is about tightening these and how you, tighten these correctly. So as you see, I wanted to show you this picture in regards to an up-close picture with the gear on the motor itself, and you'll see a notch. This notch is for the one main Allen key screw to go all the way in and make sure it butts up against that notch and make sure it's tight. Of course, don't over tighten. These are brass. This is a steel shaft, and it won't, of course, break as easy as this brass gear will. But once you get it tightened in there and it feels pretty snug, you'll just tighten it maybe just a little, like a hairline more to make sure it's just tight on there. Because if you turn it too much, it's going to strip that out. So this one over here actually just presses on the shaft more to make sure it gives it a little bit more durability of hold. So that's what you want to do there, is make sure that those are, tight, and make sure that the spacing, just like this one, the spacing needs to be about this diameter here. Because if you go up too high on your gear, then depending upon what kind of feed area you have, you might be bumping on stuff. And we'll talk about that in another video. So basically this video here was just mainly to answer the one question about where, and how you place the gear itself and how you tighten the Allen keys into the shaft of the stepper motor. So we hope that helps in regards to that question. We'll have some other videos in regards to these and other questions. So we'll see you on the next one.